Description: Loma Nourishing Conditioner has a highly effective reconstructive ingredients that is rich in amino acids that repairs the hair by maintaining proper moisture balance. Benefits: for dry, thirsty and chemically treated hair. No sulfates, parabens or glutens. Suggested use: apply desired amount, lather, rinse. Pure clean water infused with aloe. Naturally based, green chemistry, moisturize, enhance, protect, restore and repair the hair. We infuse the purest water with concentrated organic aloe vera powder. This powerful combination creates the #1 ingredient in Loma products. Aloemoist Complex is made of pure organic plant extracts, oils, vitamins and minerals and offers a simple and clean approach to healthy hair and a sustainable environment. Clean ingredients, natural fragrances. Paraben, sodium chloride, gluten and soy-free. Sulfate-free cleansing. Loma therapy consists of essential oil-based fragrances, natural aroma ingredients, aromatic botanical extracts. Vegan-friendly. Never tested on animals and vegan-friendly. We utilize a small amount of beeswax in our fiber putty and forming paste, which we obtain in a way that does not harm the bees. All of our other products are totally vegan, using no animal byproducts. Top reviews from the United States. Love this product. Smells amazing. I have color-treated dry coarse hair. Loma makes my hair manageable and soft when it's blow-dried.